Hello and welcome to the AI with Arun show. We're diving into a historic moment in sports history. The 2026 Winter Olympics in Milano Cortina aren't just the next games. They're being called the first intelligent Olympics. We are moving past the cloud era into a world where artificial intelligence is baked into every second of the action. Imagine 14 ultra-high-def cameras surrounding an ice rink, capturing 40,000 images every single second to build a perfect 3D digital model of a skater in midair. It's the ultimate laboratory where extreme human athleticism meets algorithmic precision. Let's explore how AI is changing everything, from how athletes train to how they're judged on the world stage. So how does the AI actually see what's happening? It starts with massive hardware. There are over 800 specialized camera systems across all the Olympic venues. For figure skating specifically, they've rigged 14 cameras with 8K resolution around the arena. But here's the cool part. Unlike previous years, athletes no longer have to wear bulky sensors. It's all computer vision now. This is huge because, in a sport where even an extra ounce can mess up a quadruple jump, these cameras can track every bone and joint in 3D space without ever touching the athlete. It's high-tech tracking that's completely invisible to the skater. To process all that data, 40,000 images per second, you need some serious brain power. They're using specialized chips called FPGAs that can handle massive amounts of video data at once. Everything is connected by over 100 kilometers of fiber optic cables to make sure the data reaches judges and broadcasters instantly. But it's not just about speed, it's about efficiency. For the first time, 50 to 60% of the broadcast is happening in the cloud. By using virtual broadcast vans instead of heavy hardware, they've cut energy use by half. It's a smarter, greener way to bring the games to billions of people. Judging figure skating is notoriously difficult. Judges have only seconds to decide if a triple axel was fully rotated, or if a skater used the wrong edge of their blade. This cognitive overload is where AI steps in to help. The AI-assisted scoring system tracks 8 key points on the body, like shoulders, ankles, and hips, to provide objective metrics. It can measure jump rotation with millimeter precision and verify that hang time needed for the big quads. It's not replacing humans. It's giving them a high-tech audit tool to eliminate shady calls and ensure the right person wins. This tech didn't just appear out of nowhere. It's actually inspired by the judging support system used in gymnastics since 2019. That system can recognize 2,000 different moves with 90% accuracy. But figure skating is even harder, because skaters are moving at high speeds across the ice. In previous games, you had to wait for a slow-motion replay to see the details. In Milano 2026, blade detection, which shows the exact angle of the skate on the ice, is available to judges instantly. It's a massive leap forward for transparency in sports. AI isn't just for the Olympics, it's for anyone with a smartphone. New apps like UFskate allow any skater to record their practice and get instant AI feedback on their jump height and rotation speed. Meanwhile, elite skaters are using jump trackers with tiny sensors to get real-time data on every session. This shift from eye tests to hard data is helping athletes push the boundaries of what's humanly possible. We're already seeing quadruple jumps, and with this tech, we might see the world's first ever quintuple jump. That's 5 full rotations in the air. The biggest enemy of any athlete is injury. AI is now being used to predict fatigue before a skater even feels it. Researchers use machine learning to analyze a skater's movement history and detect tiny changes in form that signal they're at risk of a stress fracture or a bad fall. They even create digital twins, virtual biomechanical replicas, to simulate how much force a skater's body is taking on every landing. This preventative biomechanics could extend the careers of our favorite skaters by years by catching problems before they happen. Watching the Olympics is also getting a major upgrade. AI can now separate an athlete from the ice and create a 360-degree replay in just 5 to 20 seconds. You'll see space-time slices, where multiple phases of a jump are shown in a single frame, like a strobe light effect, so you can see the entire trajectory from takeoff to landing. Broadcasters can overlay heat maps showing exactly how much of the ice a skater used. It even works for sound. AI can tune out the annoying drone of cameras while keeping the roar of the crowd, making you feel like you're sitting ringside. Ever had a question about the rules while watching? Now you can just ask Olympic GPT. Powered by Alibaba's QN models, this official AI assistant provides real-time results and rule explanations in multiple languages. In the US, NBC is using OLI, a chatbot built on Google Gemini, to help you navigate thousands of hours of coverage so you never miss your favorite event. From AI-powered pin trading to immersive fan pavilions in Milan, the games are becoming a personalized, interactive journey rather than just something you watch on TV. Figure skating isn't the only sport getting a glow-up. In curling, 12 cameras map every stone's path and strategy, helping fans understand the chess on ice. For skiing and snowboarding, AI tracks big air jumps without any sensors on the athletes. And then there's LAIA, the AI agent for Luge, which has a database of 42,000 historical races to predict performance and analyze G-forces. Even diving uses AI to track the safe gap between the athlete and the board, showing how AI is moving from just being a cool visual to actually enforcing the rules. But with all this tech, there are real challenges. Can AI really measure artistry? While it can count rotations, it can't yet feel if a performance is emotionally moving or creatively brilliant. Human judges are still essential for the artistic scores. There's also the risk of algorithmic bias. If the AI is trained on data that doesn't include diverse body types or skin tones, it could be unintentionally unfair. That's why the Olympic committees insist that AI is a tool for assistance, not a replacement for human judgment. The goal is to keep the soul of the sport alive. The integration of AI into the Olympics isn't just a trend, it's the new foundation of sports. As we look toward Vision 2030, the goal is to make figure skating more dynamic, fair, and accessible for everyone. Milano Cortina 2026 has shown us that when you marry high-speed computation with human passion, you get something truly magical. Thanks for watching. If you found this as fascinating as I did, hit that like button. And please share and subscribe to the AI with Arun show. And consider becoming a member to support our work. Let us know in the comments. Do you think AI should eventually replace human judges entirely? See you in the next video.